Alright, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This one's going to be about the Light 57CR's I had put on the car. These are the real black chrome colorway or color. I just wanted to give like an up-close detailed look at the wheel on the car. In different lights, the wheel looks a little bit more black chrome. We'll do a walk around, and then in different lights it looks a little bit more chrome. Like from this angle, I think they look a little bit more chrome than what I kind of like, but it's different. Right now I have them without the center caps in here. I don't know, I thought it would look good without the center caps, but now that it's on the car, I think I'm gonna have to order the center caps. These are the Bridgestone RE71Rs on the car, and this is the first time I've ever really had like a competition tire or performance tire. And at first I was a little skeptical, but man, once these tires get up to temperature, they absolutely hook. Right now I have like a little bit more gap in between the tire and the fender, whereas on the stock tire and stock wheel I had less gap. Now these are the Ibach Pro Kit springs on the car, so no rubbing, a little bit more gap, more of the wheel, kind of get the full car. The setup is 265 in the front, 305 in the rear. It's 19 by 9.5 front rim and a 19 by 10.5 rear wheel. Let me see if I can kind of get a look. Anyway, if you're thinking about getting these wheels, right now I love them. I might end up doing a gloss or a glass black in the future. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, I'll probably be putting out more videos once or twice a week in the future. Anyway, have a good Thanksgiving, and I'll catch you next time.